About my 30 kilo weight loss journey, I ate this crispy honey buffalo chicken every single day, and honestly it made losing weight a piece of cake. Start by adding your raw chicken to a bowl, smother it with low calorie hot sauce, season the chicken with chili powder, ground paprika, salt, pepper and barbecue seasoning. Mix and cover the raw chicken completely. Get your cornflakes onto a tray and crush them until they're powder-like. Add some smoked paprika and completely cover the chicken in the crushed cornflakes. Cook in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Mix together some honey with low calorie hot sauce, and then cover each piece of chicken with the sauce. And it's as easy as that. They really look like they're not healthy, but trust me, they are. For more recipes, don't forget to follow.